How to add materials easy in Revit 2027, like painting. Open Revit, open your project, then select your project from here, like let's select this one. Go to modify walls. Here we have in geometry, we have this face like this paint. Let's select it. Then drag your materials, like I have brick materials like this one. Select it, then drag it here. Press on your face that you want to add material to it. Again, let's select this one. Let's select this one also. Again, select this one, and the last one, let's make this one like this. And here I have my material painted over here. I don't want these paints. Also select your walls, then go to your paint, remove paint, then select your faces that you don't want